All right, what's up, traders? Welcome back for a new session. A lot of stuff happened today on gold. We're gonna see what moves we can catch for this session. We did call the buys this morning. Just a second. All right, so we did catch the buys this morning where we called the move over here, but we got stopped out break even. And this was the move here when Trump was talking, so it was pretty crazy. A lot of liquidity grabs over here. They didn't want anyone in this trade. And then obviously after they made their way up. So what do I see happening on gold? I know that I don't want to sell. And I know that it's really, really high to take a buy. So what do we do in this case? We just have to wait. Possibly I can take this fib over here if I'm going more aggressive. See, if I take a look at this fib over here, you can see that it's about to make its way. Okay, it just made its way even above. So I had my full take profit over here. But now it's breaking above. Just crazy. Did you catch anything today, Deepa?
Yeah, I did 112 pips.
Oh, yeah. What you sent this morning, huh?
Yeah.
Nice. Yo,
and then I had another entry, from last night, the trade that you guys were in. I couldn't get any more entry, but it was only for a little bit. So before catching the 100 pips, it went down and then it came back up. So I only caught about 30, 40 pips. So it was like, yeah.
Nice. A win is a win.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, it's just super, super bullish right now.
There's a lot of volume today.
Crazy. Because of Trump. He was speaking earlier, so. I just want to be super cautious here because, I know when I'm going to enter buys, like, I don't know. I don't want to get caught in a reversal. I can literally just take a buy over here. And I wonder if it's going to go up. I'm not going to take a buy. I'm just going to place let's say something to see if it's going to go up 20 pips.
Oh. I saw a red candle was forming and it was almost touching 77 around that area, but then it reversed so quick last minute, like literally 3-4 seconds.
3077?
No,
Hello. 77 where?
No, 77. It was around 3. No, it was at 3157, and then it reversed back. A 15 minutes there.
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Perfect. Where'd he go?
Don't know.
Hello.
My bad, bro.
Oh my god, we're shooting up.
Yo, I saw the scalp. I don't think she heard you, bro. Yo, let's scalp it, bro, in the 1 minute.
Scalp.
Let's scalp on the 1 minute today.
Yeah, put that the lower fib, I think.
I want to gamble, bro. I'm kidding. I don't want to gamble, but I want to scalp it on the 1 minute. All right, let's just enter somewhere when we get Actually, Asia's about to open, so
If you get a bottom wick.
Yeah.
And then yeah.
See maybe this fib here on the 3 minute. This is a pretty nice area like here. We take this liquidity out. If we got a bullish 1 minute, you want to scalp it or what?
Yeah.
See if like the next 15 can
Wait
go
for
up.
bottom wick, yeah. Wait for bottom wick.
You been AS Banks?
Chilling, my brother.
Congratulations for the visa, brother.
What visa, bro? I haven't even gotten yet. Nothing is confirmed.
Shit. If I were to go on the 15, the recent fib would probably be this one here. See if we can hit the 38 of this one. We have this level in confluence, 78 and the 23. This could be a sniper level here. 23 of the 15 and the 78, the small fib. We have an MA2 over here. Yeah, that's a nice confluence here. 3160. I wonder if I should wait for Asia Open. Or maybe just rip it here. No, I'm going to wait a bit. This might just go up here. Form support, but I'm going to wait over here.
You know, on the 15, if it closes below the 78 in like a half minute or something, would you take a sell or like no sell today?
No sells in these conditions. For sure. Too risky. I only look for buys, but tomorrow morning, let's say if, we retrace all the way. Sorry, I'm losing my voice, but if we retrace below here, like probably I'll look for sells tomorrow. But no, I don't want to touch sells for now. So I had a feeling we'd go up. after this 1 minute. I'll just wait for Asia open just to be safe. But possibly we can just shoot up here. That's what you call a bullish trend. As soon as you have support formed, break the high, go up. Running about almost 10 pips.
What do you mean? You entered longs here?
Nah, bro. I just said if this closes bullish, it's gonna go up. Look at
yeah.
this. It's crazy. Crazy, bro. Even an idiot can make money, bro. Nice conditions. The thing is that when it's too obvious, like probably during Asia Open, when it's too obvious that it's buys, it's probably just gonna come down. That's why I don't want to get caught. Let's see. See if we can get another retracement till here. Like break the 15 low maybe. Right, it's probably just gonna go up now. Filmou, il faut quoi, ouais. Yeah, I should have just ripped it here, dog. It's probably gonna go all the way till here. At least.
Hello.
Yeah, brother. Is it?
Je suis là. Attends.
I wanted to shoot down, bro. Yeah.
I took entry, like just for a little bit. Yeah, just before when it was wicking.
That's good. Should probably go up.
Yeah, it's up.
Should probably go up till here, at least.
Mm.
6-5. If this 5 closes bull, like strong bull, it's good indication also.
I think the H1 is gonna break the high.
Yeah, it's possible.
Yeah.
I think as long as we respect these lows here, we should probably go up.
It's fishy that price is moving so fast at this time during Asia. Like, I don't know. It feels fishy.
Yeah, like tomorrow probably it's gonna flip.
Go back. Yeah, exactly. I mean, that's what I've seen. Like when price shoots up during Asian session,
Yeah.
breaks the highs, then London and New York just comes back down.
Daily's already gone for 150 pips.
Yeah, I think we're gonna pull back.
$38 is holding pretty strong. I'll be a little cautious here. If we come down here, shoot down, form support, then I might take buys here. H1's making a lower wick. We have this level over here of confluence. If we get a 1 minute bullish here, I'll probably take an entry. Like a nice bullish candle.
SL hit, my brother.
I didn't even enter. Oh, okay. There's some nice confluence here also. Like, let's say on this fib here, take profit 1 here. These levels have some nice confluence too. Let's see.
I don't know. People trade on the 1 minute. It's crazy.
Yeah, bro. I'm scalping, bro. It's pretty bullish right now. So. Nah, it's a weak 1 minute for me.
How does the H1 look like so far?
It looks like it's made a top wick. I don't think, bro. To be honest, you can even shoot down. Like, bro, I'll just be careful.
I think this daily is gonna flip back, bro.
See if the 45.
It's so fishy. It moves so fishy. Even when it went up, like yesterday, so fishy.
Deepa, if you're in the trade, then manage risk if it breaks these lows over here.
I already exited like a little back.
Okay. Yeah, I'll just be a little patient here. I'm looking at my 15 fib. Yeah, we have the 38 here. See if it's gonna go tap.
Do you think there's gonna be like a huge red candle that's gonna go like big? It's gonna melt big now.
Possible, honestly. Tough to say, but it did shoot up a lot, so I think it's eventually, it's going to come down to correct this push up. I don't know if it's going to be now or during London. Let's see. That's why I'm super cautious, when I buy the highs. Like, even if I were to enter on the 1 minute, like, I'm just going to scalp like 10, 20 pips. I know it's going to retrace eventually, so. This is a nice level, 38.2. I have a lot of confluence here. 3 levels of confluence. We have our MA also.
But he spoke a while back, no?
Who?
Trump?
No,
Yeah.
he spoke at 4 p.m. today.
So it's like 7, 8 o'clock now?
I think, yeah, you're 5 hours ahead, right?
Yeah, what's the time for you now? 8.
So for me now it's 8:10 p.m. Yeah.
So even after that, like after that long, the market still moves like this fast?
Yeah, I think it's just taking in everything that he said. I didn't watch the press conference, but I heard that he spoke about tariffs a lot, and you can see the moves over here. This was during the press conference. Yo, these are like huge candles, bro. Like this is like 200, 300 pips in a 5-minute candle. It's crazy. Okay, so we've reached the 50 of the 15-minute fib. I want to take a position here, possibly. If we close, it's kind of risky, but yeah, it's kind of risky, but let's see. No, this is too big for me. This can go up here possibly, but okay. I don't like this close, but it's too risky for me. Stop loss is like 35 pips. 30 pips. Yeah, it's too big.
Squad, ça prend des shorts?
No, no.
Hein?
No, pas shorts.
Sur, if you take the big fib, wait, give me a second.
I want to be cautious here, bro. Like I know it can probably go up now since we formed a support. It'll probably make its way up till here, like 50, 60 pips. But I just didn't like the size of this stop loss here. I'm scalping, like, let's see if it can come down over here and then form another support. I'm down to take buys. If not, then I'll just wait. How is this 15 closing? It's closing pretty bearish. Yeah, this is too bearish.
Just wait a bit for longs, because if you look at the big H1 fib, you'll see that it didn't tap the 3-2 yet. It's going for the 3-2.
That's what I'm thinking, bro. There's no point of scalping maybe a little move. If we make our way to the 38 here, then I'm gonna look for rather, a bigger move. But at the 23, like if this level holds over here, I could possibly scalp something, like until here. A little small, 60 pips. Let's see. I want to see it make a wick down, like wick below this, form some kind of support, and I'll take buys until here.
Look at 3128. I see good longs till 3152. It's like 200 pips.
3128?
3128, yeah.
Close to the 61?
Yeah, and there's confluence with the other fib too. $3,128. That's a good target to enter longs with confirmation. So it's basically the 88.6 and 618.
Yeah, if we come to the 38, then I'm gonna look for buys like overnight stuff, But if we stay here around the 23, I'm gonna look to get a scalper entry.
Bro, daily's gonna flip for sure. Guaranteed, bro.
Bearish?
Think so. Because it's way too fishy.
Yeah, it moved up big
It
time.
moved way too fast towards 3165. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm looking for, if I go long, I'm looking for 3128. Nothing higher. Yeah, I think we're going down there.
shit. We're about to
There
hit
you go.
the 8, so I'm not gonna be scalping anything. I'm just gonna wait.
Yo, just put your H1. Look, remove all the drawings. Yeah. Put your H1 fib. H1, H1. Yeah, put that one. Now go on the 30. Sorry, on the 15, I think. Yeah, 15. Put that. Yeah, there you go. That fib. No,
This
no,
one's
not
more.
that one. Yeah. No, not that one. Not that one.
You
This
have
one.
some points here though. Let's see. Let me just see how this fib reacts. If it takes it out, then I'm gonna use the another
Yeah, you
fib.
can do that too.
Looking on the H4, we have a fib here also, technically. Yeah, I would use this fib over here also. So yeah.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, 3136 and 3128. You can get confirmation that either one of these two zones, then it would be good for lungs.
Look at the reaction, the 30.
And
Eight.
I would target 3152 or 57, something like that. 236.
Yo, Wanda is closing in 38 minutes, bro. It's not 10.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I feel like it might just possibly pop up from here. 38.2.
I don't know.
H1 has come down
Let's
to make
see.
a wave. Yeah, let's see. Yeah.
Bro, honestly, I don't want to target the highs because I think that we are going to flip on the daily. So if we're going long, maybe maximum 3152 or 3157.
Imagine the H4 flips.
Yeah, I wouldn't even be surprised, to be honest.
See if we can get a nice 5 bull closure here. Possibly this is a level maybe that it can come up to and then shoot down, maybe.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, something like this.
3152, right?
Yeah, something like this.
Yeah. Or even no, if you go down to 3136.
I don't like this liquidity, bro, over here. I feel like it's gonna get taken out.
Yeah, 100%. That's what I'm saying, bro. It was too weird. The movement was fishy.
Yeah.
Let it have 3136 and we'll see what happens.
Yeah, let's see.
Même si on était avec confirmed, I think les stops sont huge, bro, parce que les wicks sont... The candles are huge. One candle is like 100 pips, 150 pips.
J'entends pas ma voix, bro.
T'as vu Snap à Chino?
Hey, but bro. Like so.
Where is Nathan Burbridge? Is he like still celebrating Eid or something?
Nathan's been a little busy.
You gotta call him.
Huh?
You gotta call him.
Right.
Yeah, you gotta tell him to come on the stream. He's not gonna listen to me. Oh, okay. We had a bullish closure here.
I meant to enter live. The TP is not that huge, bro. To be honest, relative to the stop loss, but I don't know. I'd rather wait for like 3135.
Yo, losing your voice is the worst shit, bro. Yo, this is super
Bro,
nice.
oh my god! You know, I sent you one reel about the Aditya thing.
Yeah.
Putain, my whole feed is all about that now.
Chini,
My brother.
all about what? Like the same videos?
Yeah, I'm sending you. Check. Say wow, bro.
That's crazy.
It's all Aditya, bro. I think it's trending right now.
That's jokes.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, my brother Chini.
Chini in the house.
Oh
Chini
my God.
D.
I just came
Kya
here.
unaacha my bhai?
I'm good, my brother.
Bharwachi.
I'm good. God willing.
God willing.
Yeah, I just came here just support my brothers, not for too long,
Show me. Yeah, if this closes real nice, we're gonna make our way up. Nice little 60 pip move.
Yeah, man. Today was a break-even type of day,
Part of the game, brother.
Yo, how was so no tariff for us?
I didn't even check, bro, to be honest. I was too
I
busy.
heard Canada and Mexico are exempt for the tariffs, and rest of the countries are receiving tariffs.
Let me go read up.
Yeah, I read that quick, and yeah, no, as it says, unspecified reasons for why Canada and Mexico is not part of the tax thing. So we good, man. UK is getting like taxed like 36%. As I think.
What are we today? April 2nd, eh?
Yeah, it's today.
All right, lads. Let's ask ChatGPT.
Lol.
%10 tariff on all imports. 34% on Chinese goods. Holy.
Yeah.
This I saw, yeah. 25% on automobiles. Hence why gold is going up. Safe haven. Now it's been led to increase volatility.
part of the game, you know. It's part of the game.
Bro, this shit is not happening, bro. Like none of this shit is happening. Yo, gold is just so damn bullish. Yeah, we're gonna go up here. I think really nice close here. We're gonna go up till at least here,
Oh, my brother.
but I don't want to take this. Like this is like a 37 pip TP for like a 72 pip stop loss. Not down.
Nah, I think it's gonna come back down a bit. Again, it's gonna range a bit more. And maybe tomorrow, again, the New York market is gonna try to push.
Why don't you call your contact, bro?
I like the analysis, brother. Which contact?
Call your plug. Ask him what's gonna happen.
You want me to move the market? I'll move it for you, brother. Yo, Chini, what's up with the visa, bro?
We have to do it, my brother. We have to do it.
Yeah, tonight.
Yeah, let's do it, man. I'm here, bro. I'm gonna go do some work, you know. I have my stream tomorrow, yo, bro. Still thinking about content I'm gonna do.
What's the title for the stream?
Still in process, but I'm thinking of it. Thinking something. It's tough to be a content creator, my brother.
Everything is tough, brother. Choose your heart.
Choose your hard.
You know, for the visa thing, you can directly get in contact with the FRRO office in Delhi, and
Really?
then you just pay a fine of like, I think 80, so it's like around $80, and then per day, you straight up pay 80, and then 80,000 rupees, and then after it's like per day $20 for however long you wanna stay.
$20 per day for a visa.
That's crazy, my brother. $20 per day, that's crazy.
Yeah. Yo, it's corrupt, bro.
Actually, so freaking corrupt.
Possibly gonna make our way up until here, as expected.
Yeah, my brother. Anyways, guys, enjoy your night. Let me know. I'll probably come back a little bit later on.
All right, brother.
You know,
I'll call you after.
talk to me.
80,000 rupees, 1.3.
Because that's what we did, because like our visa and everything got like messed up, and that's like apparently how it works.
How long did it take you to get the visa?
4 days, 5 days, 5 days.
The e-visa, eh?
Yeah. But like from here, it comes within like 24 hours.
What do you mean?
So the normal process when we applied, it was like within 24 hours. Mine came like within 9 hours, although like all 4 of us applied together.
Shit, that's pretty fast.
Yeah, it's hella fast.
Yeah, I bet it's been like, what, 2 weeks?
Yeah, my case is different.
But you can send your form over to the FRRO office.
What
if
is
it
it called?
takes
FRRO?
FRRO office Delhi.
India Viz. visa conversion exit permit without any hassle and obtain the services without coming to F.
Yo, it's hella corrupt, bro.
It's a government website, bro.
Yo, I can't wait to go, bro. Bombay. I knew we were gonna shoot up here. Can't do much. Stop loss is pretty big. But you see how simple the concept is? We just come down, form a strong support, and then we go up. But, you know, for a really quality setup, like let's say if I took it over here, you see I don't like this 5-minute closure over here. Like the wick is probably bigger than the body. So for me, it's not really a nice candle. This one is the one I would have entered on. See if I replay here. This is where I would have taken the entry, because if you look at the body over here, you see like there's more body than wick, right? Which means that we have a ton of volume here. So if I were to enter over here, and I had my take profit here, and my stop loss ideally would be here or below the previous, you see it's not really ideal. Possibly make our way up until here also. J'ai un sale envie de sell ici, bro. Mais I don't want to. Il est juste à ce 23, genre. Je suis sûr que ça peut aller retrace un peu plus deep. Like, it's pretty early in the 30. Like, the 30 can possibly flip here.
Yeah.
I want to take, like, a low-risk entry, bro. I'm down to take a low-risk entry. If I get a nice 1 minute, let's say, here. Say stop loss would be, like, 35 pips and take profit. I would probably target, like...
Ça reject le 2-3-6 du higher time frame.
Yes, c'est ça. Il y a 23 ici, higher time frame. Si tu prends les petits fibs, there's like the 38 type, like 50. Really nice reaction here also. Yo, I think
On
I'm
n'a
gonna...
pas le 2-3-6 du... de l'autre fib. No. There's a 2-3-6 at 1-5-7. Which is a confluence with the 6-1-8.
Yeah. I want to take a sell here, bro. But it's risky.
Just... Si tu prends des sells, vas-y à 1-5-7. $1.57, just good confluence.
Yeah, I don't like this 3 close. So I'll wait a little bit more. But toi, tu dis 157, hein? Le 61 ici? I just have the 61, bro. I don't have anything else here.
There's a 2-3-6 if you put
above.
No, there's confluence. Remove everything, I'll show you. Yeah.
Oh, you took this fit? Or this one here?
No.
T'as pris ça ici.
Les wicks sont bizarres, bro.
T'as pris ce fib-là.
Ah, ok, parce que moi j'ai FX live, c'est pour ça.
Yeah. Alright, so let's just logically go. For sure, we have our big fib. which is at the 23 right now. We have our other fib over here, which is our aggressive fib. Let me just see over here. Yeah. This is our aggressive fib here. So 23 a pas hit encore, mais le 38 a hit. And we have our sell fib over here.
Ok,
Yo,
bon, FX puis Honda, c'est tellement différent. Putain. C'est bizarre. Anyways.
ouais, je vais run des sales ici, bro. Si on get un Q confirm ici. C'est risky, mais I'll probably like target here. Target this one here. Nice little 200 pip move here. But I want,
1,55, right?
yeah.
Yeah, je vois. Parce que je suis sur un live. I was on FX before.
Well, this is a really strong. Let's see if we can get a 1 minute bearish or something here.
Attends 5 minutes.
5 ça, ouais, 5 aussi, mais 5 ça a été un peu beaucoup, bro. Ideally, I want this 15 to not close too strong. Let's see if I can maybe anticipate something here. Let's see.
On la tape le 236 live.
Now le 38 reject aussi, bro. Check le 38 est en train de hold, puis il y a un 50 ici aussi.
C'est ça.
Like, there's some nice confluence over here.
Moi, je vois le 236 pour 1,55, right?
Yeah.
T'as aucun 236 là, bro?
No, 38. 236 c'est ici, bro. I have it at 315, man.
Remove everything? Mets ton 15 fib? Enlève tout.
This one. Just check comment le one he close. Yo, I want to rip sells here, bro. If we close really strong here, like I want to take these low risk sells here. Depending on how the one closes now. Nah, wait a bit more. Yeah, it could rip down here, to be honest. It could rip.
5. The 5 is closing in 2 minutes, bro.
Yeah, but it can possibly rip down.
The target is huge. Le target, c'est tu peux target. Where can you target? Let's go check. Tu peux target les lows.
Je feel comme si ça va, it's gonna shoot down here, bro. Like this is what I didn't enter yet, but we'll do something like this.
Yeah.
I would have entered here, bro. This is a nice entry here. Yeah, I would enter here, to be honest. I'm gonna take an entry, bro. I'm gonna wait for shit, bro. I should have just entered here. Let's see.
Attends, 5. Wait for the 5.
Nah, 5 is too much, bro. It's gonna shoot down a lot.
In a minute, bro.
Let's see. Nah, this thing about milk, because this 15 should flip, bro. I should have entered after the 1. Anyways, let's see. See if we can pull back, maybe. By the time the 5 closes, bro, it should just, because the 5 is the last 5 of this 15, so if this 15 wants to come down, it shouldn't close too bullish. I was expecting it to go down. Let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see the stops are pretty big now,
If
bro.
I short target, maybe.
The stops are too big, bro. So it's enter là. It's enter.
Target 3113.
Yeah, it's gonna come till here like 3133. Yeah.
No, 3113.
3113. But even like if we're targeting like si on aurait enter ici, yo, c'est un bon 200 pips, bro. Là, c'est trop late entry, bro. J'aurais dû enter ici, bro. Stop serait tight. Let's see if we can pull back here. If not, then it's okay. I know it's gonna shoot down here, to be honest. Should have entered. Because if we're waiting for a 5 now, it's super. Well, let me see if I can enter here, possibly.
Yeah.
Stops are too big, man. Should have just entered up. I'm gonna let it go. But yeah, I expect this to shoot down here. Ideally, I would have liked to enter here, but got caught waiting for a little bit more confirms. But we should probably make our way down until here. Nice little 180 pip move. If we were to go down until here, if you guys entered, I would place my stop loss break even over here, because this is a pivotal level over here. If not, then if we burst through, then we should make our way until here. Let's see. We've been up like 65 pips right now. Tough. If it comes to here, I'm down to rip an entry. Like at the 38 of this, it's about 60 pip. Yeah.
Quick question. So, if the market conditions were like this, would you take this trade, like even if it was like the live was in here, like in these conditions?
Yeah. I mean, yeah. Like the sell, you mean?
No, like just trading overall, like around this time, like everything is a bit like moving too fast and
Too fast is, well, I mean, we're used to this kind of market moving fast like that. So yeah, for sure we would have traded. Fast is what we want, right? We want some volume in the market. I don't want to trade any.
She's talking about manipulation and fake outs, like what it did
Yeah.
at.
If you're talking about something like this, no, I'm not gonna trade this. Like what happened earlier, I wasn't trading this, but there's no manipulation right now. It's pretty clean candles. But if you see something like this, then yeah, I'm not gonna trade it.
Okay.
But yeah, this is pretty nice price action.
Fais 3-1-5-1, c'est Guy.
Yo, je veux juste get in sur ça, bro. Je fais la
Moi, je vois 3-1-5-1.
I don't know if it's gonna retrace up till here. Just get in sur ça, bro. Or possibly like here we can take an entry, but this is a better entry over here. 3151, yeah. There's
Je
two.
call it 3-1-5-1.
Possibly it can just shoot that. Yeah, Confluence C, pair Confluence C. This is the best price, but it shouldn't go up.
50 and the 3-2 at 3-1-5-1.
It shouldn't go up too much, bro. To be honest, I don't want it to shoot up too much. Call I sell ici, bro.
Yeah, 3-1-5-1, ça tape ça.
Let's see if we were to enter here. Let's see. So you're just gonna take everything off. Let's see. Yeah, I would enter like here, bro. Si tu veux attends pour call, mais j'aurais probablement enter ici, genre quelque part. Target would be like 3-1, 3-1. Target's ici en fait. 3-1, 3-3 maybe. think I closed kind of strong. Man, I don't expect it to go up too much, bro. If we're gonna shoot down, like, it should reject somewhere here, unless it doesn't look too good. Like, we should shoot down now in this last minute. Ici où t'attends? 3151?
Yeah.
Genre jusqu'à sa wick le high ici?
Comme ça?
Genre au 38 là.
Yeah, 30, c'est ça.
Moi j'aurais déjà enter, bro. Peut-être ici. Mais si ça wake up, c'est fresh.
Parce que mettons le petit self-fib. Le petit.
Puis ici, là.
Ouais, tu vas voir.
Genre, tu vas mettre petit avec le confluence, là. Yeah, bro. I think it should happen, like, soon, because I don't want
If
this
it doesn't happen in the next 3 minutes,
next 8
I'll be-
minutes. Yeah, like 6, 5, 6.
I wanted to tap in this 5 minutes, to be honest.
Yeah, it shouldn't stall too much, bro. Because if it stalls and this 15 closes strong, I don't know. It could go up, take out this high here again, and then come down after. Let's see. I would have entered here, bro. Aggressive. Stops would have been break even by now, but let's see.
Stops break even.
Si j'aurais enter ici sur le 1, ici sur le 1, j'aurais mis break even bag, bro. No risk.
Alright, we're tapping 3151.
Alright, let's see. Yeah. 3151. Dis-moi quand c'est in.
Yeah, je pense que tu peux être là.
Right. So yeah, stops would be like here, but I would manage risk to see how this 15 would close here. Yeah, I would manage risk over here, see how this 15 closes. Target would be here. 3133. Si c'est 15 close de même, yo, j'aurais vraiment mal.
Off.
Yeah, but let's see.
Si ça melt, ça doit comme. It has to do something now.
Yeah, it has to shoot.
If the next 15 breaks the high, then it's gonna go till 3156 for sure.
Yeah, 3156, or it's gonna take this high out again and then go down.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm gonna be cautious over here.
Let's see. Let's wait 5 minutes and see what happens.
Let's wait for this 15 to close.
If it doesn't melt in the next 5 minutes, then manage risk.
Yeah.
The only thing I'm worried about is that it's gonna go Savali Wickfield 3156.
Yeah, let's see how this 15 closes.
We didn't enter right now, yeah? We're still waiting.
No, we took an entry.
we have to,
Yeah, 3151 took an entry.
if this 5 doesn't close nice with the 15, then
Yeah, if this
we'll just
15
do it.
closes like this, we're gonna close it. But if not, our stops are above here. This is the H4 close also, huh?
Yeah. Closing in 5 seconds.
30 is forming support also. Yeah, I'm gonna be cautious here, see how the 15 closes. I want to see it push down the last 2 minutes. If not, then probably gonna cut the trade.
Yeah.
I think I would cut it, bro, to be honest.
Probably.
Let's see. About a minute left here. Man, there's a lot of volume right now.
Yeah. Oh, c'est dur à tell, for real.
Si c'est 15 close, trop bullish, on cut ça, bro. Si ça close, même, c'est chill. If it closes like that, we can wait for a few 5-minute candles. I want to see this one push down like as much as it can. The last 15 seconds. All right, so the 15 is closing. Yeah, it's pretty bullish. I'll wait over here. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. If not, our stop is above here, but let's see.
Yeah. Cut if it breaks the high.
Yeah, okay.
It was moving so fast.
Yeah, just gonna wait for this 1 minute candle to close here. Our mental stop is here, but I'm just gonna be waiting for this 1 minute to
H4
close here.
open without a wick. It should go do the wick.
That's the only reason I didn't close it yet. But if this one closes too bullish, I'm gonna close it here. H4 now
H4 made the wick. If we
This
start
is why
flipping back,
this is why you set a mental stop loss, but you always gotta wait to see if it's a liquidity grab, or if we would have closed super strong bullish here, I would have cut the trade. But let's see what happens here.
yeah.
I want to see it push down, bro, like big time. We've already made the top wick on the H4. If the momentum is real, then it should push down. If not, then I'm gonna cut the trade.
Also, if you look at the H1, there's a possibility that we go wick fill the entire wick at 3140. That's about 100 pips right there.
I don't like the fact that the 30 broke the high here. Like, we formed support, we broke the high. I don't like that. If we break the low over here,
If you look on like the H1, it makes sense because we formed a resistance, and there's a wick fill to be formed.
I'd be cautious here, bro. If it breaks the high, I'm down to just exit the trade here. I just don't like the fact that the 30 formed the support, broke the high after. Like, if this was a liquidity grab, I want to see it shoot down. I don't want to see it play around here too much.
Technically, it should go down because H1 made the top wick.
Yeah, that's the thing. Like, it's already done the grab here, so it should go down. It shouldn't play around here too much. Like, if it's
Maybe
playing around,
maximum, it should tap the 618. I would say max, big max.
if this one close is strong, I'm gonna cut it, bro. I swear, if it stops us out and then it shoots down, stuff, whatever.
It should, yeah, the maximum it should go is a 618. That's like max for me.
Where's that? What price?
618?
Yeah.
3157.
See.
Yeah. Yeah, we might tap the 618.
We're gonna have to get out. If we tap the 61,
yeah,
we'll look for more entries after if we get stopped out here.
Yeah. What is it, like 45 pips?
Yeah. 51 pips, yeah.
51.
No, 40. Yeah, 51 pips, yeah. Let's see.
Just flip. H1 got a flip.
I really like these cells, bro. I feel like it can come down, but if it's not at entry, then it's gonna go up probably a bit and then come down. But let's see if this level can hold over here. I want to see a nice bearish candle, like really nice candle. Oh, I like this candle here. A lot of momentum. J'ai mis 75 pour les spreads.
Oh, you put 70?
75 for the spreads.
Attends, je vais modifier 75. Let's see, bro.
Yeah, bro. Tough range.
If we tap the 618 and we get good confirmation for sells, then we'll enter. Otherwise, we'll just let it be.
I don't like this close on the 1 minute bullish. It's a strong bullish close. This can just shoot up here. Let's see. Yeah, we're possibly gonna get stopped out here. If we do, then we'll look for sells up top. We'll call it in the Discord channel overnight.
Yeah.
I still believe the idea is valid. Like we can still come down even if we get stopped out here, but it might just go retrace deeper at the 61 possibly. Let's see. We're still in it for now. Just gonna hit stop here. I'm not gonna be waiting for a candle closure here. If we just wick up and break these highs, I'm gonna exit the trade. Here I waited because it was the first grab, and you can see we had some rejection. But now if we're breaking back above, that means market probably wants to go higher before maybe coming down. So these highs have to respect for me. If not, then I'm gonna get out of the trade. Big man things. I was too focused, bro. I didn't see it. Late in the stream, but love the entry and the analysis. Appreciate it, bro. It's a good trade, whether it hits take profit or stop. We just focus on taking good trades. So it's a really nice trade. But if it does stop us out, that just means that this was not the level and possibly market wants to go a little higher, tag in a little more buyers before coming down. But this is a nice entry point for us. We saw a lot of confluences here, so we're still in the trade. Really came close to stop loss, but let's see if if we can push down here.
Yeah, looks like we're gonna push up here. Too much bullish pressure.
Yeah, bro. Too much bullish pressure here. Let's see. We'll be patient here. We're gonna be here for another 15. Hopefully we can get something. If not, then we'll call it a stream, and we'll keep you guys updated in the Discord chat.
Yeah. So we can hit stop loss over here because our stop loss is basically the 618 of the fib. So if we hit stop and we get confirmations again for sells, then we're going to be sending it in the Discord channel. Yo, my TP, I put it at 3113, bro. I didn't put it over there. My break-even area is 3133. I put my TP at 3113.
3113. That's crazy.
Yeah, my break-even is at your TP. Yeah.
What do you see here to put?
I really feel that we're going to come and correct the entire move that happened because I think it was all manipulation. If we decide to push down. And I believe that if we start breaking lows here, the daily is gonna flip, and there's a possibility of a correction. Yeah, our entries are pretty risked, to be honest. The 50 is holding pretty well, but the 618 didn't tap yet.
Yeah, I'm banking on this 50 to hold, but I don't like the fact that we haven't had a big reaction yet. It could just be a top in the H4, but I'd expect some volume soon. If it's just gonna stall here, then it's possibly gonna go tap the 61. But we can't do anything about that.
Yeah, we'll just look for re-entries with confirmation afterwards.
But to be honest, it's a pretty soft reaction here. See if we can push down before 10. Probably come wick fill this over here.
Exactly.
Yeah, the 15 is holding pretty nice. The 50, I mean. Let's see.
Change your TP to 3113 and put that area as a break even. Yeah, that's a break even area.
3113, I have this level here. It's a pretty good level. Take out the liquidity.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, just put that as TP.
So even if the three EMAs are on the way, you'd still aim that as your TP?
Yeah, I mean, this is a 5-minute SMA, so I have one in the H1 here, so that's why, I'm going to go break even here. If it goes over here, I'm going to go break even, see how this MA reacts over here. We set our TPs far, but along the way, we just evaluate, see what levels are rejecting or whatever. It's not like I set my TP here and I have to close it here, I can possibly close it here. Sorry. Possibly close it here or here. But yeah. Anyways, let's see if we can push down, at least break this low over here. I don't like the soft reaction over here.
Yeah.
If you guys just joined the stream, we entered sells over here about an hour ago, 45 minutes ago. So we're just waiting to see. We have our target over here, 3113, and we have our stops right above over here. See, we already made a top wick on the H4. We grabbed liquidity over here. So we're not expecting it to come break this high here once again.
We'll be ending the stream in about 6 minutes. And we'll keep you guys updated in the Discord channel.
Qu'est-ce que je fais là? Je vois juste des ADT avant.
Ouais, je te dis, bro. C'est fou. It's so slow.
Yeah, brother, feels like volume just dried out.
Yeah, maybe late Asian session or...
That's something I don't like because when volume comes in, what it can do is go back, liquidity once again, and then shoot down.
Yeah.
Well, I don't like that.
But we're entering the second half of the H1, so I really wanted to wick fill.
Yeah. Let's see at 10.
Yeah, at 10.
Let's see where we're at. We're at 10. If we see that volume dies out, we might just cut the trade and probably wait during New York to see what happens. Because you see, if we play in this range over here, then when volume kicks in, what it can do is just go wick back up, get more liquidity, and then shoot down. So we're going to be super cautious here.
Yeah, it looks like 618 is going to tap.
Yeah, let's wait until 10. And if it's still playing in the range, we'll see.
So tomorrow is going to be pretty much sells then?
It depends when we wake up. So if we wake up and we see that, price is shot up till here.
Yeah.
And in New York, you see it starts to make some kind of, resistance this high over here, then possibly, it can be sells. But if overnight we shoot down and we get a premium position over here, still in a bullish trend, right? So if we get a premium position, we see that we start to form some kind of support over here, and maybe we can target longs during New York till here or till here. We're going to have to see. See, the thing is that when you arrive in New York session and you see that it's been going up all night, then probably New York is going to correct. But if during Asia and London, it's shooting down, then New York is probably going to go up. It's rare that like all 3 sessions are the same.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I
Let's see.
see. But it won't take out the all-time high though, most likely.
This one here,
Yeah.
it's tough to say. If it forms a support over here, yeah, it can. Why not?
Okay.
If we form support over here, we go up, then yeah, it can possibly. We're still bullish, so.
Hmm.
All right, we have some volume in this one. See what happens over here. We're gonna be on stream till 9:30. Our stop loss is above these highs over here. So let's see.
Put the fib. Put the fib. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, we might just tap the 618. That's exactly where our stop is.
But you have no choice. You can't just.
Yeah. So if ever we tap 618, we're gonna let you guys know in the Discord if we're looking for re-entries.
Yeah. So you can't just enter on the 50 and be like, oh, I'll wait till here to 51, or I'll wait till here to 78. You just
Exactly.
choose your level. If it doesn't respect, then goes to the next
Next.
level. Your reaction, then you take an entry there. But anyways, thanks for watching the stream, guys. We're gonna keep you guys updated in the Discord channel, and positions are still running for now. So we'll see what happens.
Take care, guys. Good night.
All right. Herbal, bye.
Bye.